kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making simple but the best apple crisp. Now this apple crisp is really good and nice, but you don't want to let the butter sit for too long. I mean, it's fine if the butter sits, but I just find it hardens a bit when it's in the actual thing, which if you have picky children may not end well. So you might want to heat it up for them, but other than that, it's fine. It's a nice, delicious snack, and my dad surprised me with this, and it was delicious, all the same. So let's get into it. I always find lemon zest is the best. It's so nice. It just adds that perfect thing to the apple crisp or just items of food in general. When you're making food, if you feel like it's missing something, like I made pancakes once and I felt like it was missing something, so I made a berry compote and I added some lemon zest to the batter and it improved it so much. And then just a little piece of mint on top, and it's a delicious gourmet meal. While my dad chops the apples, here's some waiting music. It's lovely when you put sugar on these apples. It just gives, especially if they're sour apples, it gives it just that little bit more. And
it was at this point that the computer decided to eat the video. So instead of watching us stir the apple mixture, lovingly sprinkle the crumb on the apple and put the dish in the oven. You have to listen to AI Morgan Freeman.
Okay, now it's back from the oven. I hope you enjoyed that loving sprinkle of the crumb on top. It was such a delight. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe. Thank you!